Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to Succulents Box. Have you ever wanted lush, thriving plants without the mess of soil? In this video, we'll show you how to care for hydroponic houseplants and keep them growing strong in water alone. So, what exactly is hydroponics? Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil. Instead, roots absorb nutrients directly from water. Whether you're growing pothos, peace lilies, or propagating succulents, hydroponics offers a clean, efficient way to keep your plants happy. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right plant. Leafy houseplants like philodendrons, spider plants, and lucky bamboo are hydroponic superstars. For succulents, stick to short-term water propagation or try semi-hydro setups using leca clay balls. Next, pick a container. Glass jars, vases, or opaque pots work great. Just make sure the roots are submerged while the stem stays dry. Considering water and nutrients, use clean, room temperature water. Let tap water sit for 24 hours to release chlorine, or go with filtered water. Once roots appear, add hydroponic nutrients. Start with half strength and adjust over time. Keep the pH between 5.5 and 6.5 for best absorption. When it comes to light and maintenance, place your hydroponic plants in bright, indirect light. Supplement with grow lights if needed. Change the water and refresh nutrients every 1 to 2 weeks. Watch out for algae, use dark containers or cover clear ones to block light. Got slimy roots or yellowing leaves? You might be dealing with root rot or nutrient imbalance. Trim damaged roots, clean your container, and adjust your nutrient mix. And don't forget, plants in water need support. Use stakes or trellises to keep them upright. How about succulents in hydroponics? Yes, but with caution. Use water propagation only for rooting cuttings and transfer to soil once roots form. For long-term growth, semi-hydro setups with leca are your best bet. Try it with Hoya, peperomia, or snake plants. Hydroponics makes plant care cleaner, simpler, and surprisingly fun. Try it out and watch your plants thrive. No soil required. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you've got any care tips of your own or questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant care sessions. Until next time, happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.